Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get extra storage by deleting your project on mobile Photoshop by iOS or iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to delete your project is just go open your app library, and in the search button you just need to type the PS Express or the Photoshop application, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to visit and access your project collection by take a look on this button features. There will be three sections: home, my project, and discover. So you just need to visit my project to open your project collection. And to delete the project, you just need to go click the three small dots on the project that you want to delete. Let's say I would like to delete this edit 15, so click these three small dots and go click delete and confirm that you want to delete this project. And this project will always is already deleted from your Photoshop, and you can do the same for the rest of the project that you want to delete. So that's the way how to delete the project on Photoshop by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.